Every threat we've prepared for assumes warning time, asteroid detection systems, solar storm monitors, early warning networks. But the universe has 5 ways to kill us, where warning is physically impossible. These aren't theories. These are confirmed cosmic phenomena that could end everything before a single alarm sounds. Somewhere in the observable universe, a gamma-ray burst is happening right now, today. As you watch this, these are the most powerful explosions in the known universe. In 10 seconds, a gamma-ray burst releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. The explosion launches 2 jets of pure radiation traveling at the speed of light in opposite directions. Here's why warning is impossible. The radiation travels at the speed of light. Any warning signal we could possibly receive also travels at the speed of light. The warning and the kill arrive simultaneously. Scientists believe a gamma-ray burst hit Earth 450 million years ago. It destroyed 85% of all marine species in what we now call the Ordovician extinction. We didn't see it coming then. We won't see it coming next time. There are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each one containing hundreds of billions of stars. Gamma-ray bursts happen in all of them. The question is purely statistical. When does one point at us? There are an estimated 100 million black holes wandering through the Milky Way right now. We can only detect black holes when they are actively feeding on matter. The rest are completely invisible. They emit no light, no radiation, no detectable signal of any kind. They are gravitational ghosts moving silently through the galaxy. A rogue black hole passing through our solar system wouldn't announce itself with explosions or dramatic events. The first sign would be subtle. Neptune's orbit shifting slightly. Then Uranus. Then Saturn. By the time the disturbance reached Earth, the black hole would have been inside our solar system for years. No warning system can detect something that emits nothing. No telescope can see pure darkness against the darkness of space. 100 million invisible objects wandering through our galaxy, and we have no way to track any of them. This is the most terrifying threat in physics, and most people have never heard of it. The universe exists in what physicists call a false vacuum state. The laws of physics as we know them, the speed of light, the strength of gravity, the way atoms hold together, are not necessarily permanent. They are the current state of the universe's energy field. If the universe's energy field suddenly dropped to its true lowest state, it would trigger what physicists call vacuum decay. A bubble of true vacuum would expand outward from its origin point at the speed of light. Inside this bubble, the laws of physics would be completely different. Atoms would cease to exist. Matter would dissolve instantly. The bubble expands at light speed. Warning is impossible. The boundary between normal space and the bubble arrives at the same time as its destruction. One moment everything exists, the next moment nothing does. No explosion, no drama. Just the instant and complete erasure of everything. On December 27, 2004, Earth was hit by the most powerful burst of energy ever recorded from outside our solar system. A Magnetar 50,000 light-years away experienced a starquake. In 0.1 seconds, it released more energy than our sun emits in 250,000 years. The blast physically compressed Earth's ionosphere. It disrupted radio communications globally. Scientists said their instruments went completely off scale. That Magnetar was 50,000 light-years away. There are 12 known Magnetars within threatening range of Earth. The closest confirmed Magnetar is approximately 1,000 light-years away. A starquake from that distance would be catastrophic. The ozone layer stripped, radiation bathing Earth's surface for years, crop failures, mass extinction. Magnetar starquakes cannot be predicted. We have no model for when they occur. We monitor them constantly and understand almost nothing about what triggers them. The 2004 event had 0 warning. The next one will too. Between the stars, there are planets with no sun, ejected from their solar systems by gravitational interactions billions of years ago, wandering through the galaxy in complete darkness. Cold, silent, invisible. Scientists estimate there could be billions of rogue planets in the Milky Way alone. We cannot detect them until they are extremely close, because they emit no light and reflect nothing. A rogue planet the size of Jupiter passing through our solar system wouldn't need to hit Earth to destroy us. Its gravitational influence alone would destabilize every planetary orbit. Earth could be pulled closer to the Sun, or flung away from it into frozen darkness. In 2020, astronomers discovered a rogue planet just 100 light-years away. In cosmic terms, that's our immediate neighborhood. We found it almost by accident using gravitational microlensing, a technique that only works when a rogue planet passes directly between us and a distant star. We see them only when they're already close, and only by pure chance. 5 threats. 0 warning possible for any of them. We've built asteroid defense systems, solar storm monitors, early warning networks for every threat we can see coming. But the universe doesn't warn us. It doesn't negotiate. It doesn't give us time to prepare. The most dangerous threats are the ones that arrive at the speed of light or travel in complete silence through the darkness between stars. We are not as safe as our warning systems make us feel. Follow for daily cosmic threats, because some of them will never appear on any radar